Storm Team 16 is your weather authority.
And right off the bat, we just got a release that we don't know exactly when the power is going to be restored. And as a matter of fact, when you see the next line of thunderstorms, we may have additional power outages as we head through the overnight hours. You can see the cold front. Look at the 60s and low 70s for all of the northern plains, western Great Lakes. Still in the low to mid 80s. You get into central Illinois and southern Indiana. That's because they haven't had any thunderstorms out of this system. And we're going to see another line coming in. Satellite radar combination shows the first line. Watch it just completely fall apart. It was powerful there coming through Chicago, and then it just kind of weakened and fell apart. We have had some reports of wind damage, a few trees down here and there, but it was scattered, not widespread like we were concerned about. I am concerned about this second line, however, and one of the things you can see is how it's bowing out there to the southwest of Chicago. That's always a concern. It could also be the storm kind of a last gasp, and it will begin to weaken as it comes eastward, and we can hope for that because we don't really need a line of severe thunderstorms. But they're already starting to move into the Gary area. That is a tornado warning to the northeast of Joliet, radar indicated tornado warning, so no reports of actually one on the ground. Severe thunderstorm warnings now, as you can see, for all of northwestern Indiana, and that is for the possibility of strong damaging winds as well as large hail. A little wider view on that will show that to you. This line is still powerful, and it is bowing out, and it is something we have to watch. If it holds together as strong as it is now, and if it keeps coming at the speed it is now, it would probably come into South Bend sometime around 1 a.m. So it would move through our area between, let's say, 1 a.m. and midnight Eastern time, 1 a.m. and 2 a.m. I should say Eastern time. Western sections, you'll probably get it a little sooner, obviously, as this storm continues to come in. But we do feel it will begin to weaken. Whether it's fast enough to keep us from having any damage, I'm not sure yet. Either way, we're going to get a lot of lightning and probably more power outages and probably more limbs down in places. There's our Mishawaka Skyview live picture overlooking St. Joseph Regional Medical Center. It's 69 degrees, so the thunderstorms did cool us down, but relative humidity is at 87%, so it's a muggy evening out there. East-southeasterly wind at 18 miles per hour. Right now, there are the temperatures, and you can see some areas still in the mid-70s, especially in places where you didn't get the thunderstorms. You're even close to 80 degrees, like Akron at 79, but where you did get a fair amount of rain in the thunderstorms, southwest Michigan and areas from South Bend westward, temperatures are in the mid to upper 60s at this point. So here's what the future looks like with 16 Future Track. Now, Future Track, again, it's a computer model. It's not going to get the timing on these thunderstorms correct, but boy, was it correct at 5 and 6. It showed this first line weakening and the second line coming in after midnight, and it's still showing that. It's showing the line coming into our western counties by 1 a.m. I think it might be a little quicker than that, and then we'll see it by 3 a.m. all the way east, and I think it'll be east of us by 2 a.m. or so as it continues to move quickly. That will fall apart as it moves to the east. Cold front then right on our doorstep first thing in the morning, so still muggy out ahead of this cold front. Once that comes through, increasing amounts of sunshine through the day tomorrow and less humidity. It might take a while to sweep it all out of here, but we'll get rid of it eventually. Second cold front brings a slight chance of a shower tomorrow night into the day on Wednesday, and much cooler air as we start the weekend. Want to widen the view out a little bit, show you this big dome of high pressure as it comes our way toward Thursday morning. It does show some afternoon showers off to the north of us with a disturbance, but we should stay sunny. And right there to the southeast of Hudson Bay, that's our model showing snow. Don't worry about it, it's not coming this way. I just thought it was kind of interesting heading into July. Here's my Storm Team 16 forecast for all of Michiana for tonight. Breezy, warm, and humid. Another thunderstorm likely. Could be heavy or severe. Low temperature down to 68. 7-day planning forecast. They should all be gone by morning, but still muggy. Then with sunshine, we should see less humid air by dinner time. Nice green day tomorrow, high temperature of 83 degrees. For Wednesday then, a bit cooler in the morning, variably cloudy through the day, slight chance of a shower. Suppose probably the better chance is actually earlier in the day. A yellow day just barely because of that, high of only 72. Much cooler Thursday morning with lows in the 50s, but sunshine giving us a comfortable afternoon of 72 again. So a nice green day there. And then the 4th of July on Friday, sunny and 75. Doesn't get much better than that. 78 Saturday, mostly, partly to mostly sunny on Sunday with a high of 80. And by Sunday night and Monday, there is another chance of some thunderstorms. So it looks like I'm going to be here a little while longer. We were hoping that second line would be weakening by now, but it's still hanging together, so we're going to have to watch it. They may issue a severe thunderstorm watch over us, but they haven't yet.
Okay, and we did receive more word tonight from I&M about the South Bend area.